Hello, I'm Sabrina from Faileas Creations. We are going to do a very quick video on how to make these memory wire rings. A lot of you guys requested it, so let's just get started, okay? I need some regular 11/0s. This is my focal bead. This is the main bead. It's going to be a clear. And another bead that's just going to go around it, maybe to help highlight it. And this is the memory wire. Now this was already done, but I wanted to show you guys real quick how I do it. You get the end. These are some very good pliers, by the way. It's right there you can cut with. Just going to grab the end and just move it back. Go like that. You're just going to bend it like this. It's hard to see. There you go. I'm going to bend it back. You keep right on going to it really to where you can close it. There you go. Then you're going to count. I want one area with just the beads on it, the small 11/0s. Then the second loop, and starting from where the you bent it at, that second loop is going to have the focal beads on it. So take that to the third one, right there. And now we're going to cut. Okay. Let's put this back out. Sorry guys, my husband did this for me, so now I'm trying to duplicate it. And you're going to cut it right there. So it's going to be one where you did the bend, 2, 3, and then cut on that 4th line right by the bend. And that last one you want to take and straighten out. There you go, just like that. This is going to help you scoop the beads on it. Okay, so I want, you're going to go by where the bend is. I want to have, this is my focal. Nice, clear, very shiny. This is a bicone, 4mm. And I'm going to take out just 2 beads. I think that'd go good against the rose gold. There we go. Spill out some of my beads now. And this is going to take quite a bit. Got my rose gold. And now I'm just going to sit and scoop up every one of these. Well, not every one of them. I put 20 on there. And I'm going to speed this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on about 20 beads. So now I'm going to take it all the way down to the end. And now I'm just going to stop and look at it. So right now, that first bend that I made, and that is about across from each other, maybe a couple more. And now I'm going to put on the focal beads. One darker one, again, that I think match. That very clear, very sparkly 4mm bicone. Oop. Of course, of all the beads that I've chosen, I can't get that one on the thing. Hole is stopped up. Okay. Now I'm going to take all the way down to the end. There we go. There we go. Let's see where you guys can see that at. Okay, now is the time that I'm going to take out the, because this is about a size 9. And I'm going to see how much this is. It's getting bigger because this is really small. If you take this and put it on the end, it goes down to about a 7. So you got to kind of push it down. Now when these are sailing, it doesn't matter. They can put it on their fingers and stretch it that way. But I just want to make sure that this right here is going to be directly across from the focal bead there. Now I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put on, I don't know, 30 or so more, and I will speed this up for you guys. Oh nope, I'll be right back. Okay, I put on the 30, so I want to just let you guys take a look at it. So I think if we put on maybe 60 more of the 11/0s, let's see where we're at with that. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, just want to let you, this bend that we made, that first bend, please make sure that it is completely down. I did it on this piece, closed that up, but this one I did not. So let's go back and make sure that it's nice and squeezed like that one is, okay? Here we go. Now we're just going to shut it real good. There we go. Now let's go back and look at these. You should really go back and you know, push all of the beads down to make sure you know where you're at. Stop, take a look at it. There we go. Now I'm almost to the focal bead. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I know this isn't going to be enough, so let me get me another scoop out. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on the 40 or so beads, and right now just holding it, it is at the halfway mark. It's right there, you know, ending where it started at. But I am going to put this back on here, and again I wear 9, and make sure once it's stretched out it's about the same. And guess what? It is not. You guys see that? From about there to there. So right there I think I need to add maybe 10 more beads. Okay, so let's take this off and do it again. Add 10 beads and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let's see where we're at. Now I'm just going to make sure that's pushed down real good. There's a space right there. Again, it started there. I think I still need 2 more beads. Okay, so just sitting with the size of the coil, it makes it look like it's almost up to the top there. You see it? Put the beads on. But we know when we size it, it's going to put it right. Do it again. And there we go. There we go, guys. Pretty good. Okay, so we're going to take that off. Now this is the tricky part. My husband may have to finish this one for me. Okay, so we'll be pushing them beads all the way down. And right now, is when we need to bend it. It's best to use some type of needle nose. Now, and this right here, the size of that teeth right there is going to be the size of that bend. Okay? So you gotta, if you want it thinner, try to find something thinner to grab it with to bend the wire back. Okay? So we're going to hold it pretty tight and we're just going to bend it. Like I said, this is the part that my husband does. Okay, ouch. Okay, there we go. And it's bent. Now, guys, you're going to want to hold them beads because this is bent, but this is not sharp enough of a bend to stop the beads from popping off. So this is where you wonder if it's worth it at, because this is the hard part in this whole thing. You're going to cut it again to where that bend is the width of this. Oh, there we go. And cut it. And take this super duper bender here. Okay, now you see that? That is a little bit too long. So one more cut, guys. Because if you don't get it the right length, it's going to pop your beads. You'll break the beads there. Okay, guys, this is when you go get your husband, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so you can see that little part is cut now to the width of that, just enough to get in there. You're going to take it and just bend it back. Make your little good tight hoop. There you go. And then you can squeeze it shut. I'll just move it. There we go. Oof. See that I put that on? It's very scratchy. Let's try one more time to see how far we can bend that back. Let me grab it. There we go. Bend back real good now and feel it around real good. There we go. Oh, let me put it on here. There we go. I'm just going to stretch it just a little bit. It can be stretched out. Again, this is memory wire, so, you know, it will convert back, which is a great thing. And there is a ring on my fat little swollen hand. What y'all think about that? Thank you guys for watching. Oh, look at there. You can grab it. I can take this off so many different ways. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, continue beading.